Greetings and welcome to Yarnspirations. I'm Mary Beth Temple for Hooked for Life, and in this video we're going to take a closer look at the easy to knit Knit Waves blanket. This is a simple 2-row repeat with alternating yarn overs and decreases and some knit and purls, and it gives this interesting chevron pattern. Click on the link below to download the free pattern to find out more about the Bernat Baby Velvet that I used. And while you're down there, subscribe to the channel for fresh content weekly on knitting, crocheting, and other yarny stuff. Let's get started. This is a super simple 2-row repeat. So the first thing that you're going to do is cast on 139 stitches, which is a multiple of 13 plus 9, and working back and forth across the circular needle in rows, proceed as follows. Knit 8 rows, which is garter stitch, noting that the first row is the right side, so I have already done that because it's just knitting. And of course my swatch is smaller than your blanket's going to be, but we will definitely have enough stitches to do a couple of repeats and see what's going on. So I'm working on the first row, and it's a right side row, so we're going to knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we see an asterisk. Knit 1, yarn over, and we're going to bring that yarn over between the needles and over the right hand needle. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now knit 2 together twice, and the knit 2 together is inside parentheses, so that's what we're going to do twice. So knit 2 stitches as one by just putting your right hand needle tip through both stitches as one, yarn over and bring it through both, and push both off the left hand needle. So that's knit 2 together once, knit 2 together twice, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, bring the yarn between the two needles and over the right hand needle. Now we're going back to the asterisk because you're going to repeat from asterisk to the last 5 stitches, but I am going to repeat the asterisk one more time. You will do it more frequently than that. So knit 1, yarn over, bring it through between the two needles, put it over the right hand needle, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 2 together twice. So put your right hand needle through both stitches as one, yarn over, pull through both, push both off the left hand needle. That's 1. Here's 2. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over. So it says repeat to the last 5 stitches. I have 5 stitches left. You of course will go back to that asterisk again. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 4, knit 2 together twice, knit 4, yarn over. When you get to those last 5 stitches, you're going to knit them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's after the first row. Moving on to the second row, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl to last 4 stitches, 1, well, I don't really have to count, do I? I just go across purling until only 4 stitches remain. All right, here are my 4 stitches remaining. At the end of that wrong side row, I'm going to knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's it. I'm going to repeat rows 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Now at the same time that I'm doing those repeats, after 20 rows of the A color, which in our case is Wandering Blue, we're going to do 20 rows of the B color, which is Cuddly Cloud. So, all right, I have finished my 10 repeats of the first and second row, which has given me 20 rows in my A color. And you can see that I'm getting a little zigzag action down here on my garter stitch border, but that's just fine. We knew that was going to happen, and that's how it's meant to look. Now, a quick way to figure out where you are if you are having difficulty counting rows is to count the yarn overs. So the reason I know I have 20 rows done is because I'm facing a right side row to do next, and I have 10 yarn over circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's how I know I've got 20 rows. So if you accidentally forget how many you did, or you put it down and you can't remember, that's a really quick way to count how far along you are in the stripe pattern. Now I'm doing the first row one more time. I just am going to do it in the new color. Now all I'm going to do is pull up a fold of the new color, maybe 6 inches or so in from the end. I can weave that in later. And I'm going to break the blue yarn, and I'll be able to weave that in later too. Let me make sure I have the working yarn here and not the tail. So I'm going to knit 4, knit 1, yarn over, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 2 together twice. That's 1, that's 2, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over. Now we're back to the top of the asterisk again. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 2 together twice. That's 1, that's 2, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, repeat from asterisk until there's 5 stitches remaining, or to the last 5 stitches, and knit 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, and of course the second row is knit 4, purl across the last 4 stitches, knit 4. So here is our color change, and it's nice and even because we did it on a right side row. You're not going to have any two color anything. It's just a nice, neat color change. So that's all there is to the Knit Waves blanket. I hope you had a great time here on Yarnspirations. I'm Mary Beth Temple. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel for fresh content weekly on knitting, crocheting, and other yarny stuff. And we look forward to seeing you again here real soon. Bye-bye. So that's all there is to the Knit Waves blanket. I hope you had a good time watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for fresh content weekly on knitting, crocheting, and other yarny stuff. I'm Mary Beth Temple for Hooked for Life. We look forward to seeing you again real soon. Bye-bye.